Hi, this is Brian. Welcome to the Johnson Kitchen. Today we are excited to help you optimize your nutrition and show you what we do on a daily basis. Super simple, super practical. Our chef's guru is my wife, Alexandra. Alexandra, welcome.
Thank you. So I'm going to correct you. I'm not really a chef. I like to say that I am a functional cook, meaning I'm really, really good at getting healthy food on the table for our whole family. And we eat most 99.9% of our food at home, right?
At least, yes.
So we spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and there's just been a lot of people wonder how we do it, what we eat, the importance of it. So we want to do a class where we shared kind of all the stuff that we've learned through nutrition. You know, I've been studying nutrition for 20 years for you probably, if not more. And this is just what we feel is the most nutrient dense diet.
What works for us. So Alexandra's modest. She's a certified nutritionist and health coach from Integrative Nutrition. She's all in. So I do what she tells me to do. And I study the 80-20 stuff, but she just knows all the little things, and she's, again, very modest with her, I'm not a chef. She's a chef in my eyes, but really, really simple. And the idea here is stuff that we can do, you know, busy lives, what can we do to make really, really healthy food? And we were planning on doing this for a while. We've had a lot of people ask us what we do, and then my brother has his health challenges right now. We just found out that he has cancer, and he's asked us to help him, and he's done a 180 on his nutrition from the standard American diet to essentially what we're doing. And he's been asking us to show me exactly what you do. I love that salad dressing. How do you do that? What do you do with your salad? What about the cruciferous? What about the greens? How do you do it? The smoothies, etc. So that kind of accelerated us getting into our kitchen, converting it into a little studio, and welcoming you. So we really hope you love it, and look forward to sharing more with you in this first set of recipes, and we'll see where we go from there.